Both ChatGPT and Bard have a fatal flaw, and that is once you've written it, you still have to either copy it and paste it into a new document, or in Bard, one of the things that I was excited about at first is you can share and export it straight to Google Docs. But the problem is it is a resource that you have to go to outside of whatever you're working on. Luckily, Google has addressed this, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set that up. The first thing you're going to need to do is to go to labswithgoogle.com and go down until you find Google Workspace and join the waitlist. Once you click the join waitlist, you'll have to agree to their terms, and you should be up and running pretty quickly. Once you've been accepted, I'll show you what this new feature for Google can do. So here I have a new untitled Google document, and normally you would see the little insert at for the smart chips option. But now what I have is this option to help me write. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to paste in the same prompt that I was using in Bard and ChatGPT. I'm going to click Create. And in real time, that's how long it took. I can choose to either recreate it, I can tell it whether I liked it or didn't like it. I can redefine, which is nice, and I'll show you more about this in a minute. But for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and insert it. And there we go. So no having to jump back and forth between tabs to use the AI feature. It's built in now. But let's say I had actually written this myself and I just wanted Google to help me. Maybe I didn't like the way this paragraph was. When I highlight it, I get this option. I can click on it. I can say, you know what, it's too casual. I want it more formal. But I can also do things, you know what, it's too short. I want to elaborate here. And so this way it'll make it longer for me. And I can replace that. So there we go. Just remember to not only proofread to check for accuracy, but use this more as a guide, as a template. Add your own personality and your own words to this. This kind of helps you get started, but it shouldn't be a replacement for what you're doing. The next tool I am so excited about is the AI inside of spreadsheets. So many people are afraid of spreadsheets. This is going to help so many people out. One of the things I could do here is come in and I could paste a prompt that I've already written and create a template. So this is for a classroom library checkout sheet. And it's going to take it a second, but it doesn't take long. And there we go. Student name, book title, due date. I can check off whether or not it's returned. You do have to insert it before you start using it. And I have notes. So now I can say, all right, I only want to see false, who has not returned their books. I could go ahead and just sort that out. That is so nice. I could sort it by due date. Just so many things I could do with this. All I have to do is, again, put in my actual data. Ultimately, I think this is where the AI is going. It's going to be integrated into more of the day-to-day programs that we use. I hope this video has been useful, and I can't wait to see the kind of things that you create. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.